Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson, and today let's learn adjectives. Let's start. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Cold, cold, cold. Hot, hot, hot. Fast, fast, fast. Slow, slow, slow. Long, long, long. Short, short, short. Rich, rich, rich. Poor, poor, poor. Fat, fat, fat. Skinny, skinny, skinny. Brave, brave, brave. Afraid, afraid, afraid. Old, old, old. Young, young, young. Empty, empty, empty. Full, full, full. Same, same, same. Different, different, different. Happy, happy, happy. Sad, sad, sad. Can you find these words? Let's find the word short. Excellent, good job. Can you find the word different? Well done. Can you find the word happy? Excellent, good job. Can you find the word sad? Well done. Can you find the word rich? Good job. Can you find the word fat? Excellent. Can you find the word skinny? Good job. Can you find the word old? Well done. Can you find the word young? Excellent. Can you find the word big? Good job. Can you find the word small? Nice one. Can you find the word hot? Excellent. Can you find the word cold? Good job. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.